Business automation, reshaping modern enterprises. Introduction. Business automation serves as the right area that blends in organizational transformation and helps you succeed in a global marketplace. Business automation reimagines work process, uses cutting-edge insights to improve operations, improve productivity, and make us all better humans. The tectonic shift. Business automation. Business automation is when you marry recurring tasks and processes into AI so they can be done with very little human intervention. This approach goes beyond simple digitization, representing a complete virtual transformation of organizational workflows, decision-making processes, and resource allocation. Right from mammoth-sized corporates to nimble startups, everyone can start.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
Start taking advantage of these processes. The technological foundations. The current automation landscape is built upon several key technological pillars. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI has become the neural network of modern business automation, enabling systems to learn, adapt, and make intelligent decisions. With the integration of AI in customer service, machine learning algorithms can now analyze complex data sets, predict market trends, and optimize operational strategies with unprecedented accuracy. 2. Robotic process automation, RPA. Robotic process automation lets robots mimic human behavior that they often do with anything digital. When enough processes are done, the digital workers can execute repetitive tasks with perfect precision and operate 24/7 without any manual oversight. 3. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is what the one you see with Amazon Elastic Cloud servers, make cloud data scalable, easy, and making for real-time data processing. It provides advanced computation power to do advanced automations. 4. Website building and automation. AI plays a big role in automating website building and management, helping you move around landing page elements, placing different DIY blocks, and more. There are several DIY website builders you can use, like new transformative applications across industries. Manufacturing made smart. Automation has solved many production processes. Many factories now make use of IoT-enabled sensors that can predict when machines need to be maintained. Automated quality control systems that come equipped with enhanced computer vision. Robotic assembly lines that adapt to real-time work. Predictive maintenance algorithms that do their part in optimizing processes and reducing any and all downtime. These technologies have reduced production costs, improved consistency, and created flexible manufacturing environment for you that responds to fluid market dynamics. Finance, reimagining financial services. The financial sector has been particularly transformed by automation technologies. AI-powered fraud detection systems to reimagine banking and crypto. Algorithmic trading platforms that are inspired by real trading. Automated compliance monitoring. Intelligent customer service chatbots. Robotic process automation for document processing and reconciliation. These innovations have not only reduced operational costs but also enhanced security, improved customer experiences, and enabled financial institutions to make more sophisticated, data-driven decisions. Healthcare, precision, and personalization. Automation in healthcare extends far beyond administrative efficiency. In healthcare, diagnostic tools powered by AI can help track illnesses quicker. Predictive health risk assessment system. Automated patient record management. Robotic surgery and assistance. Personalized treatments from robotic arms. Technology is improving how many humans live, reducing errors and making for personalized diagnosis. Retail, Personalized customer experiences. The retail landscape was changed with automation. Intelligent inventory management systems. Personalized recommendations made from smart inventory management. Automated supply chain optimization. Chatbots and virtual assistants are always available. Pricing algorithms respond to changing market dynamics. Combined, they offer better shopping, optimized inventory, and respond to market changes.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.